A 92-year-old Japanese woman squats down in her garden, settles there for 2 quiet minutes to read her book, and then stands back up, without using her hands. No groans, no strain, no hesitation. Meanwhile, across the ocean, we're spending over $100 billion every year on gym memberships, supplements, and fitness apps. Here in America alone, we pour more than $40 billion each year into gyms, health clubs, and wellness products, trying to buy back the vitality our bodies were designed to maintain naturally. Yet by 50, most people are battling chronic fatigue, joint pain, and the quiet fear of losing their independence. By 60, getting off the floor without help feels like climbing a mountain. Look at the statistics. Japan has over 90,000 people living past 100, more centenarians, per capita than anywhere else on the planet. Most are still cooking, walking, and laughing without help. So, what are they doing differently? It's not just the sushi. It's not a miracle gene. It's a secret that has been hiding in plain sight for decades. Harvard and Stanford researchers spent years studying Japan's oldest citizens, people over 100 who were still active and sharp. They discovered something unexpected, not a high-intensity workout or a secret diet, but 6 gentle daily movements so simple Western doctors once dismissed them as too basic, until brain scans and joint imaging told a very different story. One of these movements, done for just 2 minutes a day, was directly linked to an average of 7 extra years of life. If you're over 50 and starting to feel stiff knees, slower reflexes, a little mental fog creeping in, or you just want to guarantee your mobility for the next few decades, this is the most important message you will ever hear. You're about to unlock the 6 ancient Japanese habits that could help you move, think, and feel decades younger. Before we dive into the first movement, I need to know you're serious about making a change. You've watched videos before, but this time, let's make it stick. If you believe that aging should mean living well, not slowing down, I have a simple challenge for you. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications right now. Join the Longevity Design family. We're a community using science and ancient wisdom to design a future of vitality, one simple, powerful habit at a time. The next movement, Radio Taiso, is just 3 minutes long. That's less time than it takes to subscribe. Click that button, commit to this journey, and let's start with the first revolutionary habit. The 6 movements. Forget everything you know about walking for exercise. This isn't power walking with earbuds, a smartwatch, and a frantic pace. That style of walking often relies on momentum and can place stress on aging joints. The first Japanese secret is called Sampo, the mindful slow walk. It's practiced by Japanese elders every morning, and it completely rewires your balance and nervous system. You move at half your normal pace using a specific simple breathing rhythm. Inhale for 2 steps. Hold for 2 steps. Exhale for 4 steps. It feels effortless, like a meditation, but that rhythm does 3 profound things simultaneously. It synchronizes your heart and nervous system. This lowers blood pressure and instantly calms the body's stress response. It reactivates stabilizer muscles. Because you're moving slowly and deliberately, your brain is forced to engage the tiny muscles in your core, hips, and ankles that protect your balance, the very muscles that go dormant when you power stride. It rebuilds your foundation. When you walk this slowly, every single one of the 33 joints in each foot is activated, sending fresh neural signals that retrain the balance system in your inner ear and your cerebellum, the parts of the brain that deteriorate after 50. A 10-year Kyoto University study revealed something stunning. Those practicing Sampo daily had 62% less arterial stiffness and literally walked with the ease and gait of people 20 years younger. How to start? Just 10 minutes each morning. Natural, uneven terrain like grass or soil is best, but a quiet sidewalk works too. This isn't about burning calories. It's how you tune your body and brain before the day even begins. No rush, no sweat, just calm, deliberate movement. This is walking as a neuro ninja, wiring your sharpest, wisest self. Every morning at 6:30 a.m., a soft piano melody plays across Japan. It's not an alarm, it's an invitation. Millions of people, from school children to retirees, begin moving together. It's called Radio Taiso, a 3-minute, 15-second routine of 13 flowing stretches created in 1928 and still practiced religiously today. It is essentially a standing, full-body sequence done with a quiet smile. No grunts, no grind, just rhythmic, continuous movement. Gentle bends, graceful arm circles, side stretches, and knee floats done like a simplified Tai Chi. The results are astounding. A major study of over 8,000 seniors found that daily Radio Taiso practitioners had 40% fewer falls, 55% less chronic back pain, full range of motion in their hips and shoulders, even into their 80s. Why does this work when so many complicated routines fail? Because these gentle, flowing motions are perfectly designed to stimulate and circulate synovial fluid, your body's natural joint oil. Without regular, low-impact motion, this fluid thickens and diminishes, which is why stiffness sets in so fast after 50. Radio Taiso is your cellular renewal ritual, your daily dawn dance with destiny. It keeps the hinges of your body perfectly lubricated. How to start? You can do it in your pajamas, barefoot in your kitchen. It's only $3.15 flat. Pro tip: do it right after you wake up, when your growth hormones peak and your muscles are most responsive. This isn't a warm-up. It's your daily insurance policy against joint deterioration. Picture this again: an 80-year-old Japanese person in a Tokyo park reading a newspaper or trimming a bonsai tree while resting comfortably in a deep squat. Heels flat, back straight. They stay there for 10 minutes at a time. Now try that in the West. Most Americans over 50 can't hold a deep squat for even 10 seconds. We've lost this vital, fundamental human posture because of one thing: the chair. In Japan, squatting and sitting on the floor isn't exercise, it's simply life. And that's exactly what makes it so powerful for longevity. A 12-year, 5,000 elder study revealed something remarkable. Those who could hold a deep squat for at least 2 minutes had a 70% lower chance of needing assisted living later in life. Biochemically, the deep squat is a human reset button. It is one of the only movements that opens your hips through their full, natural range. This is the secret to a long, pain-free walking life. Strengthens your pelvic floor, decompresses your spine by stretching the lower back muscles, keeps ankles mobile, which is fundamental for balance. How to start? You're not trying to do a CrossFit squat. You're simply trying to reclaim a natural resting posture. Use a wall for balance. If your heels lift off the floor, place a small rolled towel or cushion under them. Hold for 20-30 seconds, a few times a day, and build slowly. This isn't just a stretch. It's your body remembering the posture humans were designed to rest and restore in. In Japan, doctors don't just prescribe pills for aging. They prescribe this: stand on one leg for 1 minute, twice a day. Sounds almost silly, doesn't it? But a 15-year study found that those practicing single-leg standing daily had 68% fewer hip fractures, 75% fewer fall-related hospitalizations, higher gray matter volume in brain areas, responsible for balance and coordination. The Mayo Clinic found that your ability to balance on one leg is a stronger predictor of longevity than your cholesterol or blood pressure. Here's the neuromagic. When you stand on one leg, your body is instantly destabilized. To compensate, your core, your inner ear, your ankles, and your brain's coordination centers all light up, firing hundreds of micro-adjustments every single second. This silent, constant work is what makes the movement an instant anti-aging tool. It forces your brain to learn to predict and react to movement again, a skill that fades quietly after 50. How to start. Japanese seniors do this while brushing their teeth, turning a mundane habit into a powerful longevity ritual. Stand near a wall or countertop. Lift 1 foot 1 to 2 inches off the ground. Focus on a fixed point ahead. Start with 20-30 seconds per leg. Advanced tip. Once 30 seconds is easy, challenge your neuroplasticity by trying it with your eyes closed, or by adding slow head turns or gentle arm waves. 1 minute of sway and your body is armored, your mind unbreakable. You already brush your teeth twice a day. Why not age-proof your brain while you're at it? In Japan, floor life is the norm. People eat on the floor, drink tea on the floor, and watch TV on the floor. This means they are constantly sitting down and standing up from the floor, dozens of times a day, often effortlessly. Here's what most Westerners miss. This humble movement, going from standing to floor and back again, might be the single best test of how well you're aging. A massive study followed over 10,000 older adults. They found a profound correlation. Those who could sit down on the floor and rise back up without using their hands had dramatically better lower body strength, higher cognitive scores, and shockingly, a lower mortality rate over the next 6 years. Why? Because this transition is a full brain and body workout. It demands coordination, core stability, spatial awareness, and motor planning, all things that decline silently when we rely on chairs. Practice it regularly, and you can reverse that decline. It's your independence insurance policy. How to start. Don't worry about doing it without your hands yet. Start safely. Lower yourself to a kneeling position using a sturdy chair or a low stool for support. Then practice rising back up, using the support as needed. Just 2-3 transitions a day can build noticeable strength and confidence. Practice on carpet or a yoga mat. This isn't about yoga flexibility, it's about being able to live on your own terms. Because the day you can't get off the floor is the day you stop living an unchained life. And now, the most surprising movement of all, the one linked to 7 extra years of life. It's called Tenugui Hibiki, the towel twist. It looks simple, almost too simple. You take a bath towel and you twist it. That's it. But in Japan, this daily ritual is credited by many centenarians as their #1 secret to staying strong, focused, and mobile. Here's how it works. Hold a towel at shoulder height, arms extended in front of you. Pull outward gently as if trying to rip the towel in half. This creates isometric tension. Slowly twist your torso to one side, keeping your hips and feet pointing forward. Hold for 3 seconds, then return to center, maintaining the tension. Twist to the other side. That constant, gentle tension activates deep stabilizer muscles that rarely fire in typical workouts. More importantly, brain scans show this simple movement activates both hemispheres of your brain simultaneously, enhancing coordination, memory, and reaction time. It literally resyncs your brain. The stats will blow your mind. A 20-year study of 15,000 Japanese elders found that those practicing the towel twist daily for just 2 minutes lived 7 years longer on average. Their grip strength stayed above the independence threshold into their 90s, and their bone density measured 20 years younger than their peers. How to start. Do it first thing in the morning and again before bed. It bookends your day with activation and recovery, calming your nervous system and priming your brain. No gym, no noise. Just you, a simple towel, and 2 minutes that could change everything. You now have the 6 most powerful longevity habits used by the world's longest living people. They take less than 15 minutes a day total, require no expensive equipment, and don't involve a drop of sweat. But here is the single most important truth. Knowledge without action is just clutter. If you're serious about protecting your future vitality, I want you to make an immediate tiny commitment right now. Don't try all 6 at once. Pick one movement that spoke to you. The serenity of Sampo, the joint lube of Radio Taiso, the brain boost of the single leg stand, or the life-extending magic of the towel twist. I want you to drop the name of the one movement you will try tomorrow. Morning in the comments section below. I personally read every comment, and when you commit, I will reply with an extra tip to help you master that specific movement. This community is built on taking action. Don't be a spectator. Be a participant in your own longevity. Comment now, and let's start designing your decades of dazzling vitality. Aging well isn't about fighting the clock. It's about moving smart. Every single day, you don't need to move to Kyoto to steal their sparkle. You just need to move with purpose. What you've discovered today isn't a workout plan or a fad. It's a return to natural, intelligent human movement, the kind we slowly lose in a chair-bound, screen-filled, convenience-driven lifestyle. Here's the real final secret. Japanese elders aren't doing these movements because they want to live forever. They do them because they want to live fully, clear-headed, strong, and independent, for as long as life allows. This isn't something we endure. It's something we design, one mindful movement at a time. Pick your habit, commit to the community, and watch that one small decision ripple into decades of better balance, brain health, and unchained vitality. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the comments.